Hello there and welcome again to Algebra Play Lesson 15 Expression Repetition. But this time, there's the presence of number dice and jacks. Objectives, we still have the same. With the materials, just the same. For the worksheets, you will be working on pages 53 to 59. All right. Same thing that you need to do. You need to watch the video and work on the pages that is required for you to do or work on. And then make a self video of you solving page 56, items 8 to 10, using your hands-on algebra kit. For your hands-on time, for activity 15A, do a self video solving page 56, items 8 to 10, using your hands-on algebra kit. Save your video and submit to Dojo. Just the same thing for activity 15B. Answer pages 53 to 61 of your worksheets. Take picture of each answered pages. Make sure you will be taking a clear picture. And then answer mental calculation and speed test pages 56, 58, and 59. Pages 60 and 63, no, 60 and 61 are provided for your extra drill. Now, your target speed is 90 seconds. I would say this again. If you don't hit it, don't worry. Just practice solving equation mentally and try to beat yourself every single time until you hit the 90-second. All right. Let us now have a summary of our expression repetition lessons before we proceed to the next one. First lesson's expression repetition, very simple. Expression repetition on one side and on the other side is only a dice. Very simple and basic. Then we move on to the next level, of which maura gihapon sa left side or either side repetition expression ang naa, which means ang naa sa parenthesis. But on the other side, instead of only having a dice or a number, nanatay jacks. So there are two elements in this expression. Then the next level, which is the new lesson today, it is now a repetition, expression repetition, which is this one in parenthesis, plus number dice, plus nanashay number dice. Diba, sa previous two lessons, kanilang gid siya walay sago lang atong expression repetition. But on the other side, we still remain the same nga naay jack o naay dice, which is atong lesson sa previous. Okay, I will now put up ang tulo para makita na to ang ilahang difference, alright? Okay, so tanawa pag-ayo ang progression sa atong expression repetition lessons. From simple to a little bit complicated, but kung masabtan na to ang basic dani niya nga principle and process, very easy ra gyud ang iyang progression. Again, expression lang unya number sa pikas. Next is still expression pero ang number gidugangan na nato og x. Ang karon nga lesson is expression unya ato na siyang gidugangan og number. Ang sa pikas we retain ang number ug ang jacks or the x's. Okay, so let's start solving this equation. Like I said, pag naa gani parenthesis or repetition, unahon gud nato na pag-process ang naay parenthesis. So, the equation is, or rather the expression is x plus 3. Dobi kay ingon man siya nga 2, meaning to say, kaduhan nimo siya himon ang x plus 3. So, let's do that. So, x plus 3 and plus x plus 3. So, solve na. Naset out na nato ni, no? Ang atong na ay parenthesis or repetition. Then, we need to add 2 for this. So, again, this expression is for this setup. 2 is for that cube. On the other side, we have x plus 10. There's your setup. Because the setup is already done, then we can proceed to do the legal moves. Again, we start from our jacks. So, legal moves, first, I'll take that out. Can I take more? Dili na. Kay wala na may nabilin sa pikas. Naa naman sa isa kaside ang atong jack. What we need to do next, sa gani ang sunod, we work on the cubes or the dice. So, kani kay naa may dice o cube, dapat mawala gid ni ang cubes dinhi. Aron magtapok ta na ng dice, magtapok sa pikas pod ang atong numbers or ang cubes. So, what is the total of this? 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8, right? So if we minus or take this away from 10, 10 minus 8 is 2. So now, ang atong 10, dili na siya 10, of course. 2 na dayon siya. So ato ni pulihan. Okay. What's the next step? Exactly, we divide. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Therefore, the value of our x is 2. To find the value of the equation, ibalik lang sa setup and we substitute. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So our left expression is 12. On the other side, 2 plus 10 is 12. Therefore, are they balanced? Yes, they are. So now, the answer to the equation is the value of x is 2. And the value of our equation is 12 and 12. Alright then, medyo makalibog gamay, pero what you need to do is just repeat watching this video again and again and again until masabtan nimo siya. I'll see you next meeting and have fun! Alright, recap. Remember for expression repetition. Expression in parentheses are always the first to be solved in equation setup. So, basta ganin ay parentheses nga mong makita dito, which means this is the expression nga kinahanglan nimong ibalik-balik or multiply, kana ang imong una nga i-solve before ka magtrabaho sa uban ng mga expression. And then, when you're done with setting up, that is the only time that you proceed to solve for the value of x. And then the value of the equation. So, in summary, the sequence in solving will be first do the setup and then do the legal moves. Okay, this is it for now, and I'll see you next meeting.